Hello, my dear friends. I am Rosette Sharma. Here, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Gardening at the Red Nature and Pets, for discussing about some beautiful plants, beautiful flowers, and some home gardening tips. Where I will try to provide my experiences. I will try to gain from your experiences, and will make this make this earth a green heaven. Friends, I have this agave plant and inside a pot, and with this growing one lucky bamboo. There is almost 4000 plus plants in agave species. It's actually a succulent, and it has very large and fleshy leaves, and it thrives easily in arid climates. These agave plants are mainly found in Americas, but it is diversely found in Mexico region. Friends, this plant has many benefits. If we can produce from tequila, this type of a wine, and then medicines, food production industry, these are very useful plant. Due to the striking appearance and low maintenance, this plant has become a popular collection among the gardening community members. Agave is also known as the century plant because its lifespan is quite long. In general, a well-grown agave plant without any disease can last for about 10 to 30 years. So it's a very hardy plant, and a must-have plant for the gardeners. This plant I am showing you is almost 3 years old, and it has already grown some offshoots that I am viewing in the video. As you can see, below the bed where it is planted, already some offshoots have grown, and I have already extracted more than 3 to 4 offshoots and planted in other containers. When planted in some planters, we should be very careful to take care the plant, because this plant needs well-drained soil, it needs bright sunlight, and we should be careful while watering, because its nature of arid type, it don't like to have much water. So we must be very careful while watering the agave plant. It is prone to root rot if the soil retains too much moisture due to overwatering. We can plant agave saplings in some cactus or succulent potting mix, or if it is not available, then normal potting soil. We can amend the soil by using perlite and sand for healthy growth. From time to time, we can use vermicompost or cow dung compost also for normal growth of this plant, because this plant is hardy and it thrives on normal compost. I got confused while first time I bought a agave sapling to which type of pot I will use, but at first I put in a shallow pot. Then after some days, after having not seen any type of growth, then I put it in a heavy, wide, and a shallow type of pot, and put it in the succulent mix. And steadily I saw it's growing, and its offshoots also started coming after 1 year of its plantation. We can use plastic or ceramic or concrete pot, any type of pot for this plant, but we must ensure that how much water it is retaining. The ceramic pots, the water retention is low, it dries out early, and in the plastic pots, it takes some time for the water to completely dry out. Besides, we must have well settled draining holes, so that the system of water overwatering does not decompose its roots. So thank you, friend. That's much for today. See you soon.